Hello, here I am with another writer in our contemporary writer series, and this author recently won Booker Prize 2024 for her captivating novel Orbital. Yes, we are gonna look into Samantha Harvey and her literary works, including Orbital. She is an English novelist born in 1975, and till now she wrote five novels and one non-fiction. Her debut novel is The Wilderness, published in 2009. This novel centers around Jake, a man in his late 70s who is struggling with Alzheimer's disease. As his memory collapses, this person, Jake, begins to part together the events of his life, creating a timeline for his memory doctor. However, as he delves deeper into his past, he starts to question the truth of his own life story. Second novel is All Is Song, published in 2012. It explores the themes of filial and moral duty, as well as the choice between questioning and conforming. The author has described the novel as a loose modern day reimagining of the life of Socrates, the philosopher. It is a very interesting exploration of the relationship between two very different brothers, Leonard and William, and looks interestingly at the effects of living by ideology and philosophy. Third novel by Harvey is Dear Thief, published in 2014. Sorry, 2014. It is an epistolary novel, meaning it's primarily composed of letters. The story unfolds through a series of letters written by an unnamed narrator to a former friend, Nina. Okay, here actually the narrator, consumed by a mixture of anger, longing, obsession, delves into the past and revisiting a complex relationship marked by love, betrayal, and unresolved things. This novel is characterized by its raw emotion, psychological depth, and evocative language. Another novel is The Western Wind, published in 2018. It is a historical mystery set in 15th century England. The story is told in reverse chronology, beginning with the aftermath of a mysterious death and gradually unraveling the events leading up to it. Okay. It is narrated by John Brewy, a parish priest in the small village of Oakham. As a trusted figure in the community, this John Revy, the priest, becomes embroiled in the investigation into the death of Thomas Newman, a wealthy local man. Okay, we can see that this novel is a captivating blend of historical fiction and psychological suspense. Next, Samantha Harvey wrote a non-fiction named The Stateless Unease, A Year of Not Sleeping, published in 2020. It is actually her memoir, a memoir that delves into Harvey's year-long struggle with insomnia. Okay, now we are going to talk about which won the Booker 2024 Orbital. Orbital published in 2023. And Samantha Harvey called it as a space pastoral. So this space pastoral delves into the lives of six astronauts and cosmonauts aboard the International Space Station. Set over a single 24-hour period, the story follows these individuals as they orbit the Earth 16 times, witnessing 16 sunrises and sunsets. So please remember 16 is a very important number here. The novel masterfully explores the profound contrast between the vastness of space and the fragility of our planet. From their unique vantage point, the astronauts observe the Earth's beauty and the devastating impact of human activity. Harvey skillfully weaves together the personal stories of each astronaut, revealing their hopes, fears, and longings as they grapple with the isolation of space and the interconnectedness of humanity. As the astronauts perform their scientific duties, they also ponder existential questions about life, death, and the meaning of existence. Here we can see a distinctive feature that is its frequent shifts between diverse perspectives, including an aliens, a robots, a prehistoric seafarers. These brief speculative viewpoints, united by a lyrical narrator, contribute to the novel's rich tapestry of voices and enhance its exploration of consciousness and perception. So basically, this is the main thing which we can see in this Booker Prize winning novel, Orbital. So if you have any query, please reach us to, in the comment box, also through our WhatsApp number in the description box, it is available. So please connect with us. Thank you and learn, revise and love literature.